We are going to replace the serpentine belt on this Mercedes. Here you can see it because the radiator has been removed, so you can see how the belt is routed. It's not necessary to remove the radiator. All you do need to remove is this engine cover here. It gives you a little bit of room, and then you'll be working between the radiator and the belt here. So a lot of what you'll be doing, you won't be seeing all of this. So watching this video should really help, because then you can see how the belt is routed and also what you need to do. It's recommended you take a picture of your belt before you remove it, or look at the diagram. This is pretty standard routing of this Mercedes-Benz engines for the belt, but you want to take a picture of yours before you remove it. And to replace the belt, what we'll do is we need a 17mm socket right here. We'll move the tensioner up. We're going to put a pin here to keep the tensioner in the up position, because that makes it a lot easier to route and put the belt back on. But if you don't have a pin, you can let this go down, but then you'll have to route everything and then try to move this up and then slide the belt over. So it's a little bit more tricky that way. If you can, we're going to use here just a small pin that goes right down here. You're going to see here in a second, and then that will allow us to remove the belt. So here it is. Put the 17mm wrench right there, and then you push down. Remember, you're not going to have too much room. This is about how much room you have. Middle nut right there. Move that up right over here. It's a little bit hard to see. Right down there where you put this, there's a hole in there, and then you can just remove that. Easily remove the belt from up here. Slide the belt over. Might want to pull the belt out here and the tensioner, just so you can slide it over there and make sure it's routed all the way properly. And once you do that, you come back in here, push that down, remove the pin, and that's it.